Hey everybody, look at that. That could be you right there checking out these gorgeous views. Look at that. This home actually comes with that trampoline. So if you have kids, this is the ultra home available in Ridgeview community. This is in Vatulevu near Nandi, close to the international airport. Walk with me. I'm going to show you. This is the ultra luxury home that has all the bells and whistles you can imagine. This is a super high-tech smart home for you people overseas. You know what a smart home is. I'm going to show you this laundry room, beautiful flooring, top of the line Fisher Paykel. This is your motherboard right here, and they're all switches in here. And let me just take a peek. Look at that. Look at all those switches. This is super high-tech stuff. Look at your water purifier, heater right here. There's all your components protected here. All you have here is just incredible top-end stuff. This actually pulls out into a bench in the kitchen area. So look at this kitchen, just a stunner, right? Now you have all the Fisher Paykel appliances, and you notice that this is all built in. So this is your French side-by-side fridge, slow close, freezer on the bottom, double ovens, walk-in pantry with the pedestal lights coming down. And come with me. So you have these beautiful views here of the Sambeto Mountains, double air cons in the living room. It's wired for sound. And you have these nice low profile beds, very Japanese themed home. Each room has, again, the speaker just embedded in the bed, your hidden air cons, big screen TVs, privacy roller shades, down LED lighting. Here is your walk-in and the master with all those belongings. You've got this nice pocket door, and look at this tub. Whoa, check this out. How about that soak after a beautiful day at the beach, enjoying yourself? And if that's not enough, look at that cool wand. Probably one of the coolest we've seen. And yep, boom, get the rain shower going and just soak underneath there. Very modern here. The owner has spent just gargantuan amount of money to make this perfect. He can't get back, and so he's wanting to sell to somebody who can appreciate the fine things in life, like this throne toilet system imported from Japan. Take your pick, whatever makes you feel really good right there. You can pause it on your computer or phone right now. These are the light switches on and off with a single touch. Each corner, each swipe, it's like a smartphone on your wall in every room. All right, walk with me. This is the master suite. Everything opens up there with those mountain views that you can see there. Really beautiful. Here's your kitchen table. And as you can see, you have even a workstation here. This property comes fully furnished, as is with every top end that you can see. You can see here sinks, beautiful pendant lighting, and of course, another one of those awesome shower stalls. Oof, can't you just feel that? Slow close, gorgeous imported wood. Most everything you see here has been imported. So let me just show you again. Also, sliding doors here, so for privacy, get you right into the great room. So you have split rooms here, perfect for kids. Look at these built-ins. You wouldn't even know they were there. Sleek, slow close, low profile beds with the speakers, with the aircon unit, and those recessed lightings and privacy screens. So, and then here in the entryway, lots of extra storage. Everybody loves that. Extra storage. Here's that third bedroom. And again, wardrobes, extra storage. And you can see that the kids just love living here. You saw them outside on the trampoline. They've got a lot of toys. And then we're going to walk outside. Maybe we'll catch the family here. And you've got your driveway here. Extra guest parking there, but you have a full generator to the left there too, so in case there's any power outages. And if you're a really big surfer, man, this is the place to be. Fiji has cloud break, restaurants, and some of the world-class surfing that you've probably heard about. And if you haven't, get online and find out. Here's another special treat. Walk with me here. Anybody know what these guys are here? Yes, you do. All right, well listen, you come here, you can get all the bananas you want. And in fact, there's a next, look at that big batch just ready for you. So if you want to learn more about this home, it's in the gated, private, free, excuse me, almost choked there, in the Ridgeview community, freehold title, and beautiful mountain views all the way around, about 10 minutes from Nandi International Airport and all the business centers. So this is something you're going to want to definitely go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051, and you can learn more about this incredible, beautiful, extremely well designed home. And check this out. And yes, the trampoline comes with it. I don't know about the slide though, maybe not. They also just, have a little onsen pool that they were going to build over here. So if you wanted to build a swimming pool or expand the barbecue area, you could also do that as well. But you can see additional banana palms here, beautiful fragrant flowers and tropical landscaping, and another big storage shed too. And you can see they actually even have some of the cyclone shutters up there, and these aircon units are not cheap, I tell you. Really high quality stuff, and great grass play area for the kids. That's why these guys love it so much here. So find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com. We hope you're safe, we hope you're well. This is the year of abundance, and we're going to turn it around, and this could be your view right here. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Inaka.